Hi, this is Sharon at fitinfun.com, and I'm talking about my visit to Superior Court in downtown San Diego today for the purpose of finding out how to get there and everything about the building and the place, as well as figuring out my paperwork to file what's called a demurrer. And I'll link to that if you're interested in the details of why I was at Superior Court and what I did. All that kind of detail is on my website already. This was my initial visit, the first time I've been in that building, although once I got there I've been there quite a few times and I just didn't realize it was Superior Court. I was just going for something else. So anyway, I went today and I'm going to talk about that and just the physical issues of going there. The second video is going to talk about the technical details, and that's not happening right in this one. So I took the bus over. I found out it was $7, not $5. Luckily, I took a bunch of cash to be able to possibly buy food later, and so I had that, and I could pay for the bus. I got all my copies made, and I had 2 sets of the best documentation I could pull together, but I knew I had a lot of questions still, and I preferred not to file today. I wanted to file tomorrow, so I was just carrying it around to every place I could carry it and just see what was happening. I found bike racks right outside the building, like directly at the door, so you couldn't ask for anything better. And I asked the security guys if it's safe out there, and they were just like, oh yeah, like yeah. He said if you've got a lock on there, no one is going to do anything. So I was like, okay, I guess they would hear if there were thefts. The place was the civil business office, so if you're probably in any county, that's what it'll be called. And it was on my second floor of the building, filled with nice, happy people, and nothing like traffic court or DMV or anything. It was just like pleasant in there, unbelievably pleasant. And I talked to, I think, 5 different clerks, and every single one was nice. Like, they lent me a pen, stuff like that, which and a lot of times in government, they're like, no, we have no pens, you must have your own. But these were all really nice, and so they were very helpful. And then at the end of it, I went to this organic store that I can get to very quickly from there, and did find some cheap food compared to what I would get here of some of those things that I wanted to get, and got back on the bus and came home. The biggest thing for me is that just walking around on city streets is exhausting and hard on my arthritis. All my joints are killing me right now. I went ahead and took like a real low dose of painkillers before I went, which is something that I do to prevent pain. And I'm glad I did it, because at the end, the last time that I had to walk before I got home, I was like, oh, okay, we're done. So anyway, it was a really good visit, and if you're thinking of going to your Superior Court, I think just be prepared, be professional, and be pleasant, because I had nothing bad happen to me there, so that was great. Thank you.